Today we will be looking at a daily trading strategy. Who am I? I am DP Roberts, and for years I've been testing hundreds of indicators and strategies over on my other YouTube channel, and I am constantly testing more. I've compiled all that information into spreadsheets and used it to create a profitable trading strategy with custom indicators. We have an amazing community on Discord where we help you become a profitable trader, and you will get access to our custom indicators as well as the spreadsheets of hundreds of tested indicators and strategies when you become a Patreon member. So even if this strategy isn't great, we have you covered. Links below in the description. Alright, as I said, today we will be looking at a daily trading strategy. So this strategy here consists of two different indicators. So the first indicator we have on screen is going to be the Donchian channel indicator. And the other indicator we're going to have on screen is the RSI, the standard relative strength index, the standard RSI. There down at the bottom. Before we take a look at the numbers on this one to see if the strategy is worth going over, if you would please give this video a quick thumbs up and subscribe to the channel if you haven't so already. Giving the video a thumbs up helps the YouTube algorithm. Please, even if it's not a profitable trading strategy, please don't give it a thumbs down. That hurts the YouTube algorithm, makes YouTube unhappy, and we definitely want to keep YouTube happy. So go ahead and give this video a thumbs up, like I said. So let's go over the numbers of this strategy here real quick. So we did 50 trades like we normally do. Out of those 50 trades, we got 36 winning trades. We got 14 losing trades. It's going to put us at a 72% win rate. So let's go ahead and take a look at the rest of this strategy here real quick. Since we do have a relatively decent win rate, let's go ahead and look at the take profit and stop. So you can see the take profit and stop here on screen. So this is the take profit and stop, the default take profit and stop that we use during the indicator testing videos that I do on my other channel. If you're interested in that, you can find a link to it down below in the description. And so as you can see, the take profit on this is 150 pips and the stop is 225 pips. So the strategy is pretty simple. Again, we have the Donchian channel here on screen. I'll go ahead and turn on the settings on this. So what we've done is we have bumped up the line weight of the basis, the middle band that runs through the Donchian channel indicator, and we've turned off the upper band, the lower band, and the background, giving us this right here, which looks like a moving average now. Then, as I said, we have the RSI down here on the bottom of the screen, and we've made a few modifications to that as well. Bumped up the line weight of the RSI indicator itself, the oscillating line. We turned off the RSI based MA. Then I changed the upper line to a 55 period and the lower line to a 45 period. And I bumped up the opacity of the background color just there a little bit. So what we're looking for is when price is above the middle band here, the Donchian channel middle band here, and price breaks above the upper band of the RSI, that's going to be a signal to go long. So you see right here, we get all the criteria that we are looking for, price above that middle band, and we get a breakout to the upside of the RSI, the top band. Then at that point, we're going to look for our take profit. So in this case, 150 pips is going to be our take profit. And you see we get to that rather quickly there. Then a continuation type setup would be over here. You see how we get a cross back into the middle section of the RSI here. And then we get a break once again back above that upper band. And now the price action is above that Donchian channel middle band there as well. And once again, we get a nice push to the upside there once again, getting us to our take profit. So it's a pretty simple setup, pretty simple strategy with simple indicators. You would do the reverse, obviously, on the short side. And so when you get that break of the Donchian channel to the downside and RSI would break down below this lower band here, then you would go short on that. I don't think we really need to look at that in too much detail. Again, it's a pretty simple setup. So, like I said, this is a profitable trading strategy tested on the Great Britain pound versus the Aussie dollar on the daily time frame. If you're looking for a profitable day trading strategy, we also have one of those that we've developed over on my other channel after testing the hundreds of indicators and strategies. I'll put a thumbnail of it up on screen right now so that way you can take a look at the video there, and also link to it at the end of this video, the actual video that you can click on there, the same thumbnail. It's a proven profitable trading strategy that we have optimized. We have tested it many different ways and are constantly testing it and optimizing it even further. We're also working on automating that strategy. And so once that is done, hopefully in the near future, that's something we'll be offering to all of our current patrons at a discounted price and to anyone else who signs up for that automated system. So there's a lot of great things for patrons on the channel, patrons of the channel. Highly recommend that you join. All right, that's it for this video. I'm going to cut it here and move on to the next video from here.